Morning TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and today we're working on this Jaguar. It's a really cold day today. The wind's really blowing, so can't feel my hands at the moment, but let's crack on. Let's have a look. Okay, so we've got what we call the dreaded pipe in here. Look, black piping. So we need to mask all this off first and then spray as close as we can to this. It's a bit of a challenge if you're not used to doing this, because a lot of people haven't got the sort of, the skills to to get as close to this as possible. So it's always best to mask this off if you can. So if you look here, look, lots and lots of damage over the years, you can see there, and on that other side of the bolster there, look, lots and lots of damage over there as well. You can see. Yep, so let's go around and have a look at the passenger side as well and see what's happening here. So, yep, you're always best, as we say, to match the both up if you can. Rather than spending, 2 or 3 hours trying to match a colour, you're always best to match the driver's seat first. Yeah, and then just tickle a little bit on here, the whole seat, but just tickle a bit, and then they both match up 100%. And it saves a lot of time, and also they're both protected as well, which makes a massive difference. So the usual damage here, look, bolster damage, we'll sort that. Okay, so it's Wayne for Mobile Leather Repairs. All the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. After video coming soon, folks. Bye for now. TikTokers, it's Wayne for Mobile Leather Repairs, and we finished this job now, and if you have a look at it now, absolutely immaculate everywhere, like a brand new seat. It's actually a really bad day today, so I'm just taking it the best I can, but you can see there, look, pan it back, it looks absolutely brilliant. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. you need to book us 07904 640 389. See you later, folks. Bye for now.